Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. How are you? I'm doing great. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, please. I have an Ipsy bag that's literally bursting at the seams. And I know it's bursting because I have 3 add-ons in here, and one of them is quite bulky. So this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May of 2022. And it is a like $28 a month thing. And then I put some add-ons, and let's look at what the add-ons are first. PMD, a PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. These are super popular and great to use. So I got the PMD cleansing brush. I've got towels with a twist from Refreshments, and these are like hair tie towels, like turvy twists, except you know you get out of the shower, you put your head in and you twist it up, and then you tie it in the back. It looks like a little turban, and it helps dry your hair. And I got 2 of these because I like to use these after the shower. It really helps to get my hair dry. And it was a really good deal for 2 of them. Oh, somehow there's a flower in here, or a former flower. I don't know where that came from. And there should have been one more. It might be inside here. One more. Unless I changed my mind on the 3rd option. I don't know. We'll have to look and see. And here's my card. And it says Wild Beauty. It says Grow with Ipsy on TikTok. TikTok, you don't stop. Rock it on down to the sure shot. I'm bastardized and Beastie Boys for you there. It just said something about favorite influencers. We don't care about them. We don't care about them at all. Let's get in here and see what I have. First off, I got this. Let's see. No, I did get other things in here. I did also get the Facial Balance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum as an add-on. And I don't remember if this nail polish was part of my bag or an add-on. But let's take a look. It's a beautiful lavender color. It'll look great on my toes because I get my nails done with glitter dip. That's why they're so beautiful and shiny. But this would look great on my toes. It's a gorgeous color. Yeah, the nail polish must have been part of my bag. Then I have from Perlice the blush color cheek color, and it's in this little tube here, and it is sealed on one end, so I will open from the other end. And I don't do a lot of cream blushes, but this looks pretty nice. And I think this is about the same color the blush is. And it is. It's just a real pretty soft color. It needs a little shaking. But it's really beautiful. It looks very natural. It looks very similar to the color I have on my cheeks right now. I really need to start playing around more with those. Then we have from Be Seen Beauty for Real Weightless Liquid Lipstick in All In. And let's see what color that is. I'm excited to see what color it is. I love liquid lipstick. Oh, it's another beautiful natural nude color. I'm not going to open it because I believe I'm going to give it to a friend because I'm all full on liquid lipsticks. And then I have from Galactic a Jello Gloss Balm, which is very teeny tiny. And Ruby's up here on the desk, my youngest cat. Let's see if she'll make a miss. And this is a colored, it's a tinted balm, which I love a tinted balm. Everything's very natural in this box today. And then last but not least, we have the antioxidant spray toner from Dr. Brandt. And it's with green and white tea extracts, which is great. I love green and white tea. Let's see if I can get the plastic off. They tape it so it doesn't leak, which is really good. Otherwise, everything would be covered in toner. Let's see. Let me get my scissors out. There we go. It's coming off now. And the bag this month is absolutely stunning. And it goes with my eye makeup. I love it. It's a gorgeous bag. Sometimes the bags are not that great, and I don't really care much about them. But I really want to smell this toner really badly, obviously. All right. I'm putting the tape in my garbage bag. It's all sticky now. Oh, that smells awesome. It's toner, but I'm going to put it on like a face spray. And that is fantastic. It's got a great mister. It's very soft. I'm going to keep this next to my couch where I do my live streams. And I put on skincare there, and I love to spray a little toner on after I clean my face. So I got a lot today from Ipsy. I got the add-ons, I got the hair towels, I got the PMD face scrubber, I got the First Aid Beauty Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum, which is fantastic. I got a beautiful nail polish, I got a great toner, I got a lip balm, I got a lipstick, and I got a blush. So I cannot complain about getting too much skincare in this bag this month because I got lots of colorful things. So not too shabby. I'm pretty happy with this month's box or bag or whatever you want to call it. But I'm not going to complain this month. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.